Hi friends, I'm on the inside of the garden center, inside the store before on the outside, and they have these beautiful flowering bulbs out here. I had to stop to show them to you because they are just breathtaking. The first one is the tulip and the daffodil. Oh my goodness guys, this one, it is $9.98 and you get 15 Royal Delight mixed bulbs. This is so gorgeous. Okay, the next one is, and all of these are by Vigoro. So this one is the 15 purple and white collection bulbs of the tulips. The daffodils, $9.98 for 15 white and yellow bulbs. Alliums, you get 15 starlight mixed bulbs for $9.98. Ooh, look at this one. 15 yellow collection bulbs. I like this one. Some of them are all yellow and then some are mixed with that red or burgundy. Okay. How gorgeous, guys. Oh my goodness. You get 15 of these. It's purple and pink collection bulbs. Alrighty, the iris, you get 10 of these for $3.98. The crocus, you get 20 for $7.98. The alliums, you get 4 for $3.98. Hyacinth, you get 2 bulbs for $3.98. If I said that word right. Oh, look at this red tulip. Oh my goodness, guys, this red is gorgeous. You get 10 for $7.98. The pink, 10 for $7.98. The daffodil, you get 10 for $7.98. Oh yes. So it says spring blooming. Enhance your garden with flower bulbs. And more over here. Just a repeat of what we've already seen. But yes, guys, I wanted to show you these beautiful bulbs. So if you're in the mood for planting right now, they're here at the Home Depot at an affordable price.